Hello guys, here's the data of salespersons, region, months, and sales, overall sales they have achieved. So today we will learn how to calculate the average of all of them and how to calculate the average with some if conditions. So first of all, we will find the average of the data that has been determined in the sales from D2 to D10. First of all, it's a built-in function. It is named as average. We will first write the name of the function, then parentheses start, then we will select this range of data, and after that press enter. Now coming to the second formula, that is average formula. Here we want to calculate the average of Emily sales only. So in order to achieve this, we will write the formula average F. Then as you can see, it's demanding the range of criteria. So first we will select the range from which the criteria needs to be checked, whether it's meeting or not, then comma. And here is a criteria. The criteria is Emily. So we will type Emily here. It needs to be exactly same as Emily, but it's not case sensitive, so you can type capital E or small e, but it will not make any difference. Now the overall range of the data from which average needs to be calculated, and then press enter. So it has taken only the sales of Emily for now and divided by the overall number of those sales in order to calculate the average. Now, if we want to incorporate multiple conditions, we will use this average F's formula. You can see we have written the average F. It's needs to be cleaned. Now, it's determining average range first. Previously, it was on the last side, the last requirement, but here average range needs to be selected first, then the criteria range 1, then criteria. So instead of writing the criteria Emily in quotes, you can also select the A2, the particular cell in which Emily is written. So second criteria range, and then selecting East, so it will use only the sales of Emily in the East region. Now parentheses closed and press enter. Perfect. Now it has not used all the 3 values of sales for the Emily, but the 2 values of sales which are from the East region for Emily. So that's particularly handy when you work on it. Okay, if there comes an error, so then how to handle that error? You're using if error function here, parentheses start, and then again writing the no data found text. This will be very helpful in case sales data is not found or something else is not found. I guess there's a mistake here. Oh, I skipped the quotes. Now, okay. Now you can see if sales are vanished, the above 2 formulas with no if error condition, there is div by a 0 error, but in the last case it's not there. Thank you so much for watching.